Welcome everyone! Today we are introducing a special collaboration between Activeloop, Towards AI and the Intel Disruptor Initiative. Together we have launched the GenAI 360 Foundational Model Certification, taken by tens of thousands of developers. In this video, we are introducing part 2 of the series, Training and Fine-Tuning LLMs for Production. You'll learn how to train, fine-tune and integrate large language models into AI-based products. More specifically, this course will guide you on the optimal methods and practices for getting LLMs production ready. In the face of the current compute shortages, we aim to equip you with important knowledge for when to utilize what type of hardware and software to be able to train or fine-tune production-ready LLMs without breaking the bank. For instance, we will cover how you don't need a GPU to fine-tune a large language model and present you with a way to fine-tune domain-specific LLMs on CPUs like the 4th generation Intel Xeon scalable processors. This course was also made with the support from Lambda Labs, Cohere, as well as Weights and Biases. Let's get started. The Training and Fine-Tuning Large Language Models for Production course aims to provide you with both the theoretical knowledge and practical skills necessary to develop products and applications centered on LLMs. A fundamental pillar of our course is the focus on hands-on learning. We strongly believe that real-world application and experimentation are crucial for a deep understanding and effective use of LLMs. In this course, you will gain the skills needed to train, fine-tune and adapt LLMs for specific tasks. We made sure to give you the best practices to cut down on the cost of training LLMs from scratch and fine-tuning as efficiently as possible using the 4th gen Intel Xeon scalable processors CPUs, which are much cheaper than using GPUs. You will also learn how to fine-tune LLMs even more easily using Cohere. We also made sure to keep the course applicable to the real world and give you more information to productize the models you create and integrate them seamlessly into your products and applications. We'll navigate deeper to understand the complex layers of LLMs, touching upon the architectural frameworks of Transformers and GPT models, all while covering important performance metrics aiming to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the processes required to make LLMs ready for production. This course is designed with a wide audience in mind, from beginners in AI and current machine learning engineers to students and professionals considering a career shift into AI. Please know that prior knowledge of coding and Python is required. As we progress, you'll gain a solid understanding of the architecture behind transformers and generative pre-training transformers, GPT. You'll also learn how to use prompts to get LLMs to generate specific outputs. The course will address essential topics such as proprietary versus open source models, various methodologies for LLM training, and strategies for production deployment. We also touch upon advanced fine-tuning techniques like LoRa, QLoRa, SFT, and RLHF, ensuring you have precision in shaping the content LLMs produce. Next, you'll tackle a series of projects specifically designed to provide hands-on experience and deepen your understanding of LLMs. The course contains several code projects, notably a code project on pre-training a large language model using Lambda Labs GPUs. One about doing RLHF to fine-tune an LLM, and others about fine-tuning LLMs on CPUs with the 4th generation Intel Xeon scalable processors. You'll become adept at various strategies for refining LLMs and garner a clear perspective on datasets designed for tailoring LLMs' specific goal-oriented tasks. This course is hosted by Activeloop and is designed as a self-paced learning journey, which we all prefer. We encourage active interaction and engagement within our learning community. If you have any questions about the course or specific lessons, we have a dedicated forum in the Towards AI Learn AI Together Discord community. This vibrant community comprises over 52,000 AI experts and enthusiasts. You can join the dedicated channel using the given link. Our experts and users are also ready to assist you in the Deep Lake Slack channel if you have problems related to using Deep Lake within the course. By participating in this course and completing the quizzes at the end of each chapter, you will earn a free Deep Lake certification, a valuable addition to your professional credentials. While you have the option to skip the quizzes during the course, remember to circle back and complete them if you aim to secure your certification. This course is totally free. We charge nothing to take the course and receive certification. We note, however, you will incur costs if you run the code examples in the course in full. However, this is not needed to complete the course. For those that do run the examples, we tried keeping the cost contained so that as many students as possible can replicate them. The main cost of the course will be the pre-training of the large models, but you can just start it and stop it after a few iterations, spending a few dollars just for the experience of setting up the infrastructure. You should also expect to spend around $100 if you wish to complete all the fine-tuning examples in full. Always be aware of the costs you are incurring when you access AI hardware. With our partners, we are providing qualifying participants with credits for training and fine-tuning tasks. All participants will get free limited access to Deep Lake Enterprise. For details, see the course introduction and logistic lesson. Practical projects may require the use of various tools and platforms to run the code examples in full. These will be thoroughly guided in the individual lessons. However, the main platform that you will use throughout the course are Activeloop's Deep Lake, the database for AI, Cohere, a leading enterprise AI platform building performant, secure and customizable large language models for businesses, Google Cloud Compute Engine or GCE, Google Cloud Platform or GCP, Lambda Labs, a public cloud designed for training LLMs and generative AI that provides access to best-in-class deep learning infrastructure, Weights and Biases, the AI developer platform we will use for experiment tracking. Before starting the course, it is also crucial to have the appropriate coding environment ready. Here are the essential components. First, install a code editor on your computer. A popular choice is Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, but you can use any code editor you are familiar with. Second, use a Python virtual environment to manage Python libraries and avoid conflicts. Third, alternatively, you can use Google Colab Notebooks, a free cloud-based Jupyter Notebook environment. All of these platforms are explained in more detail in the course introduction lesson. This course is designed to empower you with the skills needed to apply LLMs in a variety of real-world applications. Below, you'll find access to the Training and Fine-Tuning LLMs for Production course, loaded with all the resources and materials to jumpstart your in-depth exploration into this field. To begin your journey, click the link below to dive into the world of LLMs for production. We are thrilled to have you join us in shaping the future of AI.